enjoy life, committing mistakes, and learn, rather than playing safe with your entire life and learn nothing at all. Good evening, people of Kaingin. Standing in front of you is a 28 years old stunner, all the way last from the Puto Latik Festival of the Philippines, Binyan City. My name is Miss Nadi Marie Fernandez, and I'm proud to say that I am your reigning queen of Quezon City 2024. But tonight, this is a pageant, so please do allow me to stand by the name for one of the most beautiful faces that the Philippine television and cinema has ever produced. Ang babaeng minsang sumisid sa karagatan bilang si Jezabel at minsang lumunok ng puting bato bilang si Darna. Opo, ako nga po ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hewan sapagkat ngayong gabi, nasa inyo pong harapan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Marian Rivera.
Kamukha niya talaga.
Marian Rivera na nagsasabing ang pagiging isang bakla kailanmay hindi nagiging masama sa mata ng Diyos at sa mata ng madla. Huwag lamang po kaming gagawa ng sarili naming ikasasama. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the night. Sama-sama sa kasiyahan ng barangay, kaingin ng kaysaya.